Mobile. 243-808 cruising the Mobile.
I think you said 230, man. It got real rough there, man. I don't know who that was, but there's 2 something.
All right, I got to jump up and down. Hey, Dr. Dog, I'm going to jump up and down. 808 in the Mobile. I'm waving.
808 in the Mobile. I definitely heard that.
All right, well, that's all I said. Have a good one. Welcome to the work week. 243-808. Aloha.
Aloha, right back, 808. Always good hearing you, man. Even in the Mobile, it's working right now. The conditions have been funny down here. I don't know if because of that storm we got coming or what, but my conditions for out west isn't that good right now.
Yeah, you sound a little off condition up here, but I hear you anyway. Have a good one, 243. I'll get out of your ear. 808 cruising the Mobile, right around Colorado Springs.